Traveling can be exciting, but what happens when a natural disaster strikes? Let's explore how to stay prepared and safe no matter where you are. First, pack a portable survival kit. Include essentials like a small first aid kit, a flashlight, a power bank, and emergency contact information. These basics can make a big difference in a crisis. Next, research your destination's emergency procedures. Know the local evacuation routes, emergency numbers, and disaster protocols before you arrive. If disaster strikes, stay calm and follow local authorities' guidance. Move to a safe location and keep your emergency kit close. Preparedness is key, even when you're on the move. With the right tools and knowledge, you can protect yourself and your loved ones during a natural disaster while traveling. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.